Hello everyone, Johnny here. Today in this session, we will try to discuss about how to count the number of duplicate elements in an array. So let us consider an array here where let me take out array equals to, let me take a weekdays here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I'm trying to take one more element, that is when Friday. So I have taken the array elements in this way. We have Monday, the weeks of day, and I have replicated the values as Monday and Friday, that is duplicate values. In this, for example, if I want to iterate these values, I can write array dot length it will try to print all the array elements in this. It will try to print the list of array elements. It will try to print the list of array elements in this. But the question is counting the number of duplicate array elements. So let us write the logic for this. Let me put this in comments. For this, I am trying to take two for loops where it will try to iterate the array length. In this, I am trying to take one more, like as we have done for the patterns. Array dot length. So let us elaborate this line, and in this what happens is that first it will try to iterate the value from 0. It will check the condition. If it is true, then it will try to get into the inner loop, and the value will be, first j value will be 1, and it will try to iterate till the length of an array. Till the length of an array. It means now the I value is 0 and j value is 1, and with a j value it will try to iterate the array length. So let us write the condition. We should able to check whether the duplicate elements are there in this array. In this I am trying to write where if array of I, array of j. In this I am trying to print the count of it, and if the count is equal, that is if the both elements are equal, it will try to print the count. I mean, it will try to increment the count, or it will try to break. So as we haven't declared the count variable here, let us declare a variable count. If it matches, if both the elements matches, it will try to count. I mean, it will try to increment the value of this count. So let us elaborate this how it goes. Now let me write console.log duplicate elements are duplicate elements. The count is, let us check now. As per our expectations, it should able to print the 2. Something is array is not defined, where we have written, yes, we haven't defined array here. Yes, duplicate elements is none, so we got none. So initially we should able to take the value as 0 here. Yes, we got it as 2. Now can you see? Yes. So let me take the same values. For example, let me take Friday again here. Now let us see. Yes, we got it as 3. Now let us understand how this for loop works. If we can see here, for the first iteration, in the sense first loop, first iteration, in the first iteration it will be I value will be 0, yes, as it has been initialized. Now what would be the j value here? It will try to check with the condition, and it will try to enter here. Now what will be the j value here? J equals to I plus 1, it means 1 here. J less than array dot length, what is the j equals to array dot length till array dot length j plus plus. It means in the inner for loop will try to have the value as 1 here, so the array of 0 is, now it is 0, and it will try to check with array of j, that is, what is the j value here? 1. So the first element will be compared with the, that is 0th element will be compared with 1. So this is how the first loop iterates. In the sense, first it will try to have Monday here, that is Monday equals to Friday. If it is false, it won't count it, just it will try to break. And next one, it will try to increment j plus plus. Now the j value will be 1 after 2, so it will try to increment the values. So the next value will be like, let me write here. Now first for loop it will be Monday equals to Friday. So as it is false, no increment in the loop. Yes, there is no increment in the loop. And it will try to check with next loop, array of 0, that is the first element. It will try to compare with array of 2. What is the array of 1 here? 0 here, Monday, and it will try to compare with 2, 0, 1, 2, Tuesday. As it is false, it will not increment the count value. So it will try to iterate the loop. With, let me take only 4 elements. Let me take only like this. Let me take only 3 elements here. So here I have taken only these elements. Let us understand. I have taken only these elements. If you can see here, Monday, Friday, Tuesday, Friday, and Monday and Friday is there. So Monday with Friday, Monday with Tuesday, Monday with Friday again. Again it will be false. I'm trying to copy this. If we can see here, Monday with 3, third element, 0, 1, 2, 3, that is Friday. Friday it is false again. Now again it will try to compare array of 0 with until or unless the length of an array. Inner for loop will completely executes. It is similar like it will try to execute the complete inner loop. Once it is done, then it will try to increment the I value here. Again for the I value 1, again it will try to iterate. So if we can see here, 0 is done, 1, 0 with 2, 0 with 3. Now 0 with 4. If we can see here, array of 0, array of 4. So the output will be like Monday equals to Monday. Yes, it is true. The count it will try to increment as 1. So this is how the first for loop will execute. And again it will try to iterate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will try to execute for the next condition also. So this is for only the for loop inside J, in the sense the inner loop. First it will try to execute with the inner loop, and later on it will try to execute the outer loop. If the condition is false, it will not increment. So here the count will be, remember here the count will be 1. Now again this is the first iteration. It will try to iterate the same loop again for I equals to 1. It means now it will try to compare this first element with this element and the next element and the next element and the next element. So it will try to iterate in this, and it will try to have the count at the end of this loop. It will try to have the count at the end of this loop. Hope you are clear with this example. So this is how we can print the count of number of duplicate elements in an array. That is, it will try to just print the count of its duplicate elements. So let us look into the presentation part. So this is how we have done. We have taken the list of days and we are trying to iterate using the for loop, and in the for loop we are trying to check both the index values. If the element is duplicate, if the duplicate element has been found, it will try to increment the count by 1, and it will try to display the count at when both the inner as well as the outer for loop has been finished its execution. So this is how we have done with this. If you have any queries, you can just drop us a mail or comment below this video. Thank you.